Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. So this video is going to be our first full-fledged start to finish laser and Cerakote project. We did a Rock River Arms 1911. Basically threw it in the fiber laser, deep engraved the word Malice on the side of the slide. So after it was laser engraved, we went ahead and sprayed a base coat of crimson on there, tacked that out, brought it out of the oven, and then went back over it with Graphite Black, did a quick acetone battle wear on it to bring that lettering out, and then finished it up by using Springfield Gray on the controls. So it's a pretty quick video. Altogether, it's probably less than 10 minutes runtime, but the project itself took several hours. The deep engraving, I was a little surprised about how long that took. It was probably about a little under 4 hours total to get it to about a 1/16 to, a little bit deeper, maybe of an inch deep. So we think it turned out really cool and hope you liked the video. We're gonna try to have more of the laser and Cerakote videos together. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.